Hello everyone. A flower garden can be a beautiful addition to any garden plot and can serve as the centerpiece of your landscape design. When planning a flower garden, it is important to consider the overall style and theme of your garden, as well as the climate and soil conditions of your location. To create a cohesive and visually appealing design, consider using a color scheme of your flower garden. You can choose complementary colors or a monochromatic scheme to create a sense of harmony and balance. In addition to color, consider the height and texture of each plant when selecting your flowers. Choose a mix of tall and short plants to create depth and interest, and incorporate different textures such as feathery ferns or spiky grasses to add variety to the design. When planting your flowers, be sure to consider their sunlight and water requirements and plant them accordingly. Group plants with similar needs together to make watering and maintenance easier. To enhance the beauty of your flower garden, consider adding other design elements such as a decorative border or pathway. You can also incorporate other features into your landscape design, such as a water feature or seating area, to create a more immersive and enjoyable outdoor space. As your flower garden grows and blooms, be sure to keep up with regular maintenance tasks such as deep heating and fertilizing as necessary. With proper care, a flower garden can be a stunning and vibrant addition to your garden plot and enhance the overall beauty of your landscape design. We hope this video was useful to you. Please leave your comments and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.